I lined the oven with plastic bags and got rid of burnt-on residues without scrubbing. You can replace strong chemical cleaners for burnt stains with a homemade mixture and plastic bags. Pour 1 cup of baking soda into a bowl. Add 1 cup of vinegar and then half a cup of water. Mix the ingredients together. Prepare some plastic bags and cut them in half so they can be spread out. All you need to do is apply the cleaning solution to the inside of the oven. Spread it evenly, especially in areas with more burnt-on stains. Then cover the entire surface with the plastic bags. Leave it for a few hours. The plastic will keep the mixture from drying out. On tough, burnt-on stains, the mixture should stay on longer. Afterward, remove the bags. Use a regular sponge to wipe away the grime. It will come off easily. When you're done, wipe it clean. Look how beautiful your oven looks now. Throw eggshells onto a baking tray. You'll be surprised at what you can do with them. Eggshells are a great source of calcium and other minerals that can be used in many ways. Place them in the oven and heat for 5 minutes. This makes them more brittle and easier to grind. Now, transfer the toasted eggshells to a blender. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, which acts as a natural cleaner. Then, add 1 tablespoon of laundry detergent, which helps break down stubborn stains. Blend everything until the eggshells turn into a fine powder. Your homemade cleaning mix is ready. Now, test it on burnt pots and pans. Sprinkle the powder on the scorched areas, scrub and rinse. Wipe dry and see the difference. Tough stains and burns disappear without scratching the surface. Your pan looks like new, and cleaning has never been easier. Try this method and forget about expensive chemical cleaners. This is how you clean oven trays. If your trays are heavily burned, this trick will definitely help. For a quick and easy clean, grab some aluminum foil, tear off a piece and crumple it into a ball. Next, take a lemon and squeeze the juice directly onto the tray. Lemon juice has a whitening effect and helps dissolve grease. Then, sprinkle baking soda over the surface. Baking soda effectively removes stains due to its abrasive properties. You'll notice the mixture start to foam. Now, gently scrub the surface using the aluminum foil ball. It will help lift off burned food residues. Finally, wipe everything down with a paper towel. And you're done. Your oven tray will shine and look like new. Lemon juice and baking soda make the perfect natural cleaning solution for tough stains, especially on baking trays. This mixture not only removes burnt-on grime, but also neutralizes unpleasant odors.